A bearing extractor is an essential hardware tool designed for the safe and efficient removal of bearings from machinery, vehicles, and mechanical assemblies. Unlike makeshift solutions that often damage components or pose safety hazards, a bearing extractor provides a controlled and precise method of bearing removal. The tool typically features hardened steel arms or jaws that grip the bearing securely, along with a central forcing screw that applies consistent pressure to extract the bearing without deforming the shaft or housing. Available in various configurations, internal, external, and slide hammer types, bearing extractors are used across industries ranging from automotive repair and heavy machinery maintenance to HVAC servicing and industrial manufacturing. Their design allows technicians to remove press-fit or tightly seated bearings, bushings, or sleeves from hard-to-reach or enclosed spaces, minimizing downtime and preventing unnecessary part replacements. What sets high-quality bearing extractors apart is their combination of durability, precision engineering, and user-centric design. Premium models often incorporate heat-treated steel components, corrosion-resistant finishes, and adjustable arms that accommodate a wide range of bearing sizes. Many also include interchangeable attachments to adapt to different tasks, ensuring the tool remains versatile over years of use. Whether you're working on wheel hubs, electric motors, gearboxes, or pulleys, a bearing extractor reduces labor, protects critical surfaces, and enhances operational safety. For professionals and DIY mechanics alike, investing in a robust bearing extractor means faster service, fewer damaged parts, and the confidence to handle even the most seized or corroded components with efficiency and control.